Hello once again from one of the best beaches in Stockholm region. This is Erstaviksbadet, and I have been so many times already this year on this beach, but today it's Saturday here in Stockholm, 15th of June. We are in the middle of the month of June, and I wanted to explore some beach on the sea, and my intention was to go further down in Nacka and continue along the coast to another beach, but then I saw that the beach was completely empty, so I just stopped here at 16.5 kilometers from my home. Why it is empty? It is because there is a lot of wind blowing in, and people usually don't want to sit on the beach when it is windy. But not me. I love the wind. Okay, I can be fair also. It was quite challenging to cycle to here, but it's gonna be easy peasy on the way back home for sure. 15th of June, we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air right now and some sunshine currently. And I already measured the temperature in the Baltic Sea, 18 degrees Celsius. And yeah, it's actually 4 p.m. right now, so I'm quite late today because I was on a party from work yesterday, summer party. And the party was until 1 a.m. and I was home around 2. And I drank a bit, which I usually don't do. I only do it on special occasions. So yeah, it was a late morning for me to get up and to start exploring the beaches in Stockholm. And yes, it is beach day number 64 on my Sweden beach adventures. And my companion on this journey is my Scott gravel bike that took me all the way here from my home. Yes, so Erstaviksbadet, it's being maintained by Nacka municipality, and it's out on the Baltic Sea, of course, and this is the main beach, but there are also several different beach spots along the coast here that belong to the same nature reserve of Erstavik. And now it's time to take a swim despite the wind, so let's go. There are some waves also as well that are building from the winds, for sure. And this is the closest beach on the sea for me. Well, the official public beach, because there are some few beaches close to the central part of Stockholm in Nacka, but that sea over there, it's not that salty as this one here. As there it is very close to the Lake Mälaren as well. All right. It's a bit chilly when it's windy, but yeah, it's good. It's still good. Next week I'm gonna be going on a trip on Wednesday to another part of Sweden. So I'm gonna be staying there for 10 days. So I'm gonna keep a secret where I'm going to. So you're gonna see when it comes to that. But yes, let's then take a dip here today in Erstaviksbadet and enjoy this beautiful Saturday, 15th of June. Let's go! It's so nice, it's amazing. Indeed, it's beautiful. Look at the nature all around. Stunning even when it's cloudy as well. Cool. Alright, then I'm going to be taking a bit more of a swim here before I go and get dressed because it's quite cold outside. I'm gonna put a t-shirt on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching another beach adventure on this beach day number 64, 15th of June 2024, Erstavisbadet in Nacka, Stockholm. Thanks so much, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!